Hello people of the internet and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm going to be briefly interrupting my 31 Days of Halloween Makeup Extravaganza 2020 edition to show you guys my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus and my Ipsy Glam Bag. The $12 a month and the $25 a month Ipsy bags, and these actually were sent to me in Ipsy PR. My mom and I recently were added to the Ipsy PR list, so thank you to Ipsy for sending this my way. I'm very excited to show you guys everything that I got. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So both of the bags are in this box, as well as two things that are just additional because it's a PR package. So I'm going to start off with those because I'm excited for them. I already opened them. I already snuck a peek in here. So sorry, but I'm just going to show you guys. So the first thing is a super cute black silk eye mask. Very cute. I would put it on my eyes, but I have makeup on, so I'm not going to. And so really soft. I like how silky it is, so that's very nice. And then we also got this Ipsy Your Magic candle. That's what it looks like. It smells really nice. Those are the first two items in the bag, so thank you Ipsy for adding those in there. I really appreciate it. So real quick, I'm just gonna kind of explain what Ipsy is. So basically what it is a monthly subscription service where you get makeup, skincare, and sometimes hair care sent directly to your door. So they have a couple different options for boxes. They have the $12 a month bag, which that one is deluxe size samples and occasionally some full size products. I kind of view that bag as a way to find out new brands and test things from different brands. And then they have the $25 a month bag. That one is the 5 full-size products a month or deluxe size samples. And then they have, I believe it's a $50 bag, which I did not receive that one. That one is a mixture of full size, deluxe size, and sample size products all in one. So the first two bags, you get 5 items in each bag, and I don't know how many you get in the third one because I personally do not receive it, so I don't know very much about that one. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get started unbagging this little $12 bag in here. So since both of these bags were sent in the same box, there was a sheet included, but it does not really tell you what is in each bag. So I'm kind of just guessing based off the products. So there's one thing that was in this $12 bag that I definitely do not think belonged in it. So I kind of put in here what I thought would go. So this is what the bag looks like. It says Your Magic on there. This is what it looks like on the other side. It's super stinking cute, and look at the little moon and star zipper. So stinking adorable. So the first thing I got is this Illuminati Quad Palette in Enlightened. It looks like this. It is so pretty, great for fall. Also, my dog is not having it right now, so if you hear her crying, it's because she's tired and she wants me to come to bed because she does not like to sleep without me because she's a needy little baby, and it's my fault because I just let her always be attached to my hip. So yeah, let's see if she'll come over here. She kind of came up here. She's, whoop, say hello. So the next item that I'm assuming goes with the $12 a month bag is this single brush. So it's from Firm Beauty, and this is the 103 brush. This just looks like an angled contour brush. I wouldn't use it. Yeah, I would probably just use this for contour or bronzer. Very nice brush. I love brushes. You know me. I will never complain about getting a brush in any sort of bag. Next up, we have this Bobbi Brown Smoky Eye Mascara. Looks like this. I have finally been branching off of just my Thrive Cosmetics mascara that I received in an Ipsy bag previously, but I still love that one. It's still my favorite. But I am trying new ones now, so you know, that's good. Then I got this Smashbox Photo Finish Oil and Shine Control Primer, and I really like Smashbox primers, honestly, I used to use them all the time, and then I quit using them because I was trying to use up other things, and I never really went back to it, so I'm excited to try that out. Especially, I feel like I've been getting a lot more oily as I've been getting older, so hopefully that actually does what it say it's gonna do. I'm excited to try it out. And then the last item I have in this bag is the Briogeo Farewell Frizz leave-in conditioning spray. Since I've started cosmetology school and I've learned more about hair, I've been getting super into hair products, and I really like the Briogeo brand, if I could say it properly. I think it's really great. So yeah, I'm really excited about everything that I received here. It's all things that I will use because I've been branching out more on mascaras. I used to enjoy Smashbox primers, so I definitely want to give it another go because I really just stopped using it so I could use up my other ones. Briogeo hair products, fabulous. Makeup brush, fabulous. This for fall is going to be so beautiful, and I love the little bags. I keep all of my bags. So yes, now let's go ahead and get on to the $25 a month bag. Try not to drop the whole box. So this is what the little bag looks like. It's a drawstring. It just has the same design. This is your magic on this one as well. And then I'm just going to grab firstly the item that's sticking straight out. So I believe this brand is called La Rosse. It's this little paper packaging with a little sticker, and you can peel it open. And in here are four makeup brushes, and these look so, oh my gosh, these are so soft, and the little handles are studded. Those are so stinking cute. So in this brush kit we have the contour blending brush. We have the flat angle brush. These, oh my gosh, these are so insanely soft. We have the kabuki brush. And we have the tapered face brush. Oh my goodness, these are all so soft. So next up we have the Sunday Riley A+ High Dose Retinoid Serum. Looks like this. Okay, so this was actually packaged in this bag when it was shipped. So it kind of confused both my mom and I because we were like, well, is it an item that belongs in the $12 bag? But to me it just didn't make sense. And also there's another little eyeshadow palette in the $25 bag, so it wouldn't make sense to get this one and the other one. So I made an educated guess, and I'm assuming that this goes with the $25 bag rather than the $12 bag that it was placed in. Because to me it would just make more sense. Then we have this, oh goodness, Laboratories Floresia Paris Youth Performance Oxygen Glow Eyes Super Smoothing Radiance Eye Care. And it says that it revives, moisturizes, and illuminates. So I'm going to assume that it is like a moisturizer, like under eye moisturizer or serum. But it says that it contains hyaluronic acid, and I love anything with hyaluronic acid. And I'm curious to see what the tube of this looks like. A little tube looks like. I wonder, does it look like a little? Oh no, okay. Very, very cool. I am so excited to try this. It is in French on the back. I'm excited for that. I've been also getting really into skincare since I've joined cosmetology school because I feel like I've learned more about skincare, so very exciting. And then next up I have the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions eyeshadow, mini eyeshadow palette, and this is a 9-pan palette by Huda Beauty. And I think this might be the palette that I purchased in my add-ons from my September Ipsy. Was last month? Yeah, last month was September. Okay, sorry, my brain quit working for a second. So I think that I purchased it as an add-on with 2 lipsticks because listen, so I already had the palette. Then I really wanted the lipsticks, and it was a really good deal, so I was like, I'll just get the palette and like give it to a friend or something because I want the lipsticks. But now I have it again, so I'm probably going to end up doing a giveaway on my YouTube channel at some point with this, but until then I'm just going to kind of store it with all of my other things. And then last but not least, we have the Ciate London Extraordinary Translucent Powder, and this is a loose setting powder. This is what the packaging looks like. It's so stinking cute. I love the Ciate London packaging. And then this is what the little container looks like. I feel like there's a lot stuck up there at the top, so I don't really want to open it because when I shake it around, it looks like it's only like half full in this bottom part, so I'm like, is there really that much like stuck all the way up there at the top? Oh no, there's not. There's actually a seal on it. Yeah, so this powder really is only like halfway full. Can you guys see that? That's the powder line right there. See, you can see it move when I move the container, so that's how you like know it's actually the powder. There's not very much in here, and I know Ciate London is more on the higher side price range for this, so I hope that this was just kind of a fluke that it wasn't all the way full, just because, you know, you want to get what you pay for with things like this. And it's not really an Ipsy issue, it's more of a Ciate London kind of thing, just because I feel like people aren't really going to get what they are paying for if the little powder is only halfway full. So I'll have to ask my mom if hers was as well, just because I'm just interested, because where it says extraordinary right here, it goes like halfway up through that, which that's not an Ipsy issue at all by any means. It's like a Ciate London thing, and I know that there are more on the higher end side of the makeup industry, so to me it's kind of like, oh, well, you know, if I was a higher end makeup company, I would be wanting to be sure that all of my customers are getting what they pay for, but I will still give it a fair shot and try it out. I don't really know how much this actually retails for on its own, because I don't have a paper showing me. That was sent to me in the box, but I'm also really happy with this portion of the box. It's really great. I'm going to use everything I got. So I'm going to go ahead and hop off here. I just want to say thank you again to Ipsy for sending me this PR package. I absolutely love everything I got, and I cannot wait to use it all. And so yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and I feel really weird filming a video that's not a voiceover, and I know this is going to be hard for me to edit because I've had a million bajillion interruptions. But until next time, have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow, or possibly later today, whenever, in my next 31 Days of Halloween Makeup Extravaganza 2020 edition video. Okay, see you guys later. Kiss from Kentucky. Bye!